direction, a place to be. High on emotions, just you and me. So like the fire deep inside, it doesn't matter where we're going. We're going. Ultraviolet deep desires, I just wanna see you glowing. Glowing, you know. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we'll stay forever young. Just hold on the line, hold on the line. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we're dreaming with our eyes wide open, hoping to
Japan Language Factory membership program. Today is Hiragana 4. So today is Tachitsute. How's going with your Hiragana? So every day 3 characters. Wake up a little bit earlier. Study Hiragana. Even 10 minutes. A, I, U, A, I, U, A, I, U, E, O. This everyday effort will change your life. Definitely. Because can you imagine? You can read everything. It's totally life-changing. So every day, a little bit, just even 30 minutes. 頑張りましょう。Okay. So, let's start. Today is 立ちつてと、ち。Okay. つ、not chew, no. つ、立ちつてと。立ちつてと。Okay. So let's start. 1、2、3、4。1、2、3、4。Do you remember? This is small ko. Small ko. We learned kakiku keko. It was small ko here. Okay. So next. 1、2、1、2、つ、1、super easy. て、1、super easy. 1、2、と。もう一回書きましょう。Let's write down one more time. 1、2、3、4。1、2、3、4。た。ち、1、2、1、2、ち。つ、1、1。て。1、1。Very easy, okay? 1、2、1、2。立ちつてと every day 3 hiragana. Let's memorize, okay? So, タコ is octopus. タコ大好き。タコのお寿司はどうですか？ How about octopus sushi? タコ、寿司。タコの寿司。タコ、通る。あ、ここ通ってもいいですか？ Can I pass through here? Here. 通ってもいいですか？通る。To pass through here. Can I pass through here? 通ってもいいですか？通ってもいいですか？ Yes. This grammar, because 通ると通ってもいいですか？ May I? Is we will learn at the grammar lesson. Okay? So, 月。あ、今日は月が綺麗ですね。Today, the moon is very beautiful. 今日は月が綺麗ですね。綺麗 beautiful. 月 moon. Okay? 立って stand up. 立ってください。立って。So this is, what is that? Small つ。Before つ, this hiragana, you will pronounce shortly. Because normal ta is ta, but here is ta. Because this small tsu working for this hiragana before tsu. So, ta, 立って。 Okay, so how was it? 立ちつてと。So we already learned あいうえお、かきくけこ、さしすせそ、立ちつてと。So you already know 20ひらがな。Congratulations! おめでとうございます。頑張りましょう。